A very good morning to one and all present here. I am here to present a study on the karyotype and the dermatographics of a phenotypically Down syndromic expression exhibited in a male child with low IQ from a family showing consanguinity. It's a clinical study report which I am doing on the particular patient. The aim of my study is to determine the factors responsible for the variant phenotype which shows a normal genotype in the basic cytogenetic analysis. The introduction of the project deals with the basics of the science that the phenotype or the physical appearance of the individual is totally related with the genotype or the genetic makeup of the individual and the environmental influence on the person. Although the genetics is more important than the environment, but the environment plays a vital role in managing the individual. And here the condition shows some micro deletions and duplications in the genotype, which cannot be obtained in the metaphase chromosomal preparations at lower level of resolutions. Thus, we can also say there can be fragile sites of chromosome which cannot be detected by the normal G-banding and can also cause such kind of expression. Now to come to the introduction of the case study which I am doing, the child shows variant phenotypic expressions in his behavior, and thus because of this reason he came under notice for us. And then to continue with our work, we begin with the morphological features and behavior analysis, and then we went for a pedigree analysis of the family. Later the dermatographic parameters were used, IQ analysis was done, and finally a metaphase chromosomal preparation by using peripheral blood was done for the patient. Now, what were the morphological and behavior observations which led us to say that this person can have a syndromic condition? He was born with squintiles. When he is trying to concentrate on anything at all, his tongue keeps protruding outside unconsciously. He shows aggressive response, and the major problem which the patient and his family suffers is he is not at all able to show any kind of academic improvement in his performance, and thus he has to keep on mugging, sitting with the books to in any case improve himself in the academic performance. Along with that, he is not able to do many of the things which people of his age can do very easily. Then we went for a pedigree analysis, and we came to know that maternal F3 is mated with paternal F2 that shows consanguinity in the pedigree along with infertility also. And then to further confirm our results, we went for an IQ analysis, and we found that he shows an IQ of 43.33. That is very low under the standardized intelligence test, and we can also call it as deficient pool in the terms of IQ standard. Thus, by taking the reference of the study done in the Tehran University under the Department of Human Genetics of Tehran University, concluding, understanding and relating the Down syndromic patients with mild phenotypic expression and low IQ levels by the dermatographic variations. For all the people who don't know what is dermatographics, let me tell, it is a branch of medical science where we study the pattern formation and ridges formation in the palm and soles. So the study by the Tehran University says that the patient who has Down syndrome and mild expression, they will show increased number of ulnar loops, decreased whorls, high incidence of simian crease, decreased total ridge count, and in addition to this, the patient which I am studying shows the more number of tri-radius, complete distal crease, extended and branched proximal crease, and branched thinner crease. Now this is what a dermatographic pattern looks like. On the right hand side you can see the standard print, that is what 3 main creases will be seen, and 5 triangular patterns can be seen which we call as tri-radius. And on the left hand side is the palm of the patient showing extra tri-radiuses and a complete line which is known as simian crease. This shows our resemblance with the study what the Tehran University has done. In addition to this, the patient also shows a radial loop in his pointing finger which is also expression of a Down syndrome. But to our surprise, the karyotype which was prepared from the peripheral blood of the patient for the metaphase chromosomes shows us 46XY. That is a normal male karyotype. Now what do we draw the inference out of this study? From available data and studies, it can be said that the condition can be a result of some small fraction of chromosomal abnormalities, which need higher and advanced diagnostic methods. It can also be associated to the particular loci of 21st chromosome, which may be duplicated, but to a so small fraction that it cannot be detected in the metaphase plate. And the further analysis had to be done by using techniques such as FISH, microarray, and moreover, we will say that a proper environment and a behavior can help in the better management and preventing the intensification of the symptoms. Now, all of you must be thinking, why am I presenting this paper over here? The purpose of presenting this paper in the World Congress of Integrated Medicine is to draw the attention of people of the medical community to the problem faced in the diagnosis of such genetic cases, and the person suffers due to lack of resources. Proper diagnosis cannot be done in most of the cases. Thus, it's a request for alternative medicine practitioners and spiritual healers to come forth with ideas and programs